No, no, no. Are you saying your name is Huining or what?
No, Vinay Gupta.
Huining Gupta.
क्या?
Camera.
कैमरा पेमेंट करेगा तभी तो भेजूंगा.
Camera
ऐसी बात
action,
करते हो क्या?
action, action. DJI Action 5 Pro camera.
हाँ.
iPad. 35,000. Bank.
कब कर रहे हो क्या अभी?
Bank transfer.
हाँ, बैंक डिटेल डाला तो है आपको.
Transfer. I bank transfer. Where is my tracking ID?
ट्रैकिंग आईडी मॉर्निंग में मिलेगा. आप अभी बुकिंग करवाओगे?
Please send tracking ID. I send money.
After payment, tracking ID send your WhatsApp. Okay.
I send already. Payment.
Why?
Payment I send. I send already. Already send payment of the year.
Which account?
Of the this one Action 5 Pro camera. Facebook advertise. Marketplace.
Okay. Paid the amount after payment. Book your order. Okay.
Yes, I paid. Tracking ID.
Which account are you paid the amount?
Your account.
तेरी माँ का घोसला बैठ चोद.
Your account paid.
मत तेरी बैठ चोद.
What is
तेरी
this?
माँ की चोद.
What is this?
मदर बैठ चोद.
What is this? What kind of business is this?
आ यहाँ से मादर चोद. पता चल नहीं रहा ट्रैकिंग भेज दिया.
What is this?
गाधा साला.
Please send the camera. Tracking ID.
Not a send a camera.
I paid 35,000.
Get out. Get lost.
I paid 35,000. Where's money? Where's my money?
Which money? Why money?
Camera money. I paid.
तेरी बहन की चूत.
What is this? What kind of language is this?
Language तेरी माँ चोदूंगा. चुदवाएगा.
This is very short. This is not a business. What is this?
Your mother.
What is this? Where is this?
Bitch बहन चोद.
Where are you from?
भाग तेरी माँ की चोद.
Where are you from? Camera ama yolena tharakpane. Akhoi gi Facebook te yawbani camera akhoi gi hong koi lupa lising kunda ga yole ga ina tharakpani. Sida ko. Thanks for contacting adu ada ko. Mo gi ya ma na dawbani. Facebook te yon ba seran turan gi pradang akne duga mo na form gumma ma smai thare. Form gum thara matung sida ina loi mention mane. Ja ya mention mane. Adagi di mo na sigi bank exist bank gi Gupta brother account balance adu da sida akhoi gi magi keno tharo na ko payment tharo na tawre. Adai ai si khara mal han badagi di mo na ko hello sir adu ada antare. Adai di ai na mu hai ai tharo kholo na ko. Adai 10k send receipt kind tawre ko. Paid your security amount ga yamal le. Adai di mathang thajale ko mo na ko. Adai di hujik se magi sida voice ke jam thare. Ada phone ka tawsalak pi ne hujiki wari do. Adum phone nungai bane si adum nai bane ko. Okay. Sini silno ma pramak section view sigumba scammer mayam jidagi section view scammer sing machine khangdana Facebook ki marketplace amadi asumba wireless ki atai po joliba mayam sida yam laibani section view honge haine ekta tawraga sida yam malhan gani moina malhan basida koina payment ka tawrudana tawta de dum mange amko phone tawre ko paikhat ke ko. Hello.
Which account are you paid the amount?
Exist account.
Which account name tell me please.
Your exist account Gupta brother.
Name, account name.
Account name is my name.
Send your receipt, your payment receipt, please.
10,000. Where's my money?
हिंदी आता है तेरे को बोलने भोसड़ी के.
What is this? What is this kind of business?
तेरी माँ की चूत.
And what are you talking about? My camera, please send. My camera, 10,000 camera, 10,000.
Why camera? Which camera?
DJ.
Without payment, I'm not to send the camera.
Yes,
okay.
I payment 10k yesterday.
Send proof.
Receipt is in the post office.
Huh?
Receipt is post office. Your address.
Nani ka chodu mother chod.
What?
Send the receipt and
The receipt is in the post office of the year. What is this?
huh?
The post office of the receipt. DTTC.
Post
Blue
office
dot.
अपनी माँ चुरवाएगा पोस्ट ऑफिस में.
What is this?
Huh?
What is this? Where is my
Money
camera? Where is my money?
Why money? Why?
iPad.
Why money?
iPad. I payment your money in the Axis Bank account.
Which account? Account name?
Your account 900 account.
Huh?
Your Axis Bank I payment of the year of the post office of the DTDC. And what is this?
Axis Bank.
Yes, your Axis Bank of the year and DTDC and post office.
Rakesh Pandey.
Yes,
Rakesh Pandey.
right, exactly.
Send your payment. Send your payment receipt.
There is the payment.
Send your
There is the payment of the post office and the DTDC and Blue Dot also. And the camera is where.
माँ का पूछ रहा मदर.
What is this kind
Send
of
payment receipt.
payment receipt is already in the post office of the tracking ID.
Send the payment receipt after talk to me. Okay.
Oh, okay, okay,
Send.
okay. Already sent in the Blue Dot of the year of the post office of the DTDC and courier service of the year. What is this?
Send payment receipt after talk to me. Okay.
Yes, payment is already there. Payment is there. Please send the camera.
Send payment receipt.
Yes.
Send payment receipt.
The send of the post.
Send my same number, my WhatsApp number.
Okay, WhatsApp is the payment of the post office or what?
Same number, my WhatsApp number. Send the
Okay.
payment slip and
Where is the
send you.
camera of the WhatsApp receipt of the WhatsApp number?
Same number.
Camera is where? Please send the photo. Please send the photo. Camera photo. Camera photo.
Already send your WhatsApp.
Okay, please send the camera photo. I send the money of the post office of the DTDC courier service in the name of your Axis Bank.
You immediately pay the amount 20k. Okay.
No, I paid 10,000.
No, 20k.
10,000 paid, and remaining paid of the photo receipt and the DTDC courier of the year of the 2025.
Wait, listen. Send receipt.
Yes, please, please send photo.
Send payment receipt.
Please send all detail of the photo of the year of the post office and the DTDC. Everything is fine, okay?
No.
What is it?
Without payment receipt, not a send detail.
Yes, there is the payment receipt of the post office send. Okay, tracking ID.
No, my WhatsApp number, same number, send.
Yes, where is your WhatsApp number? Please tell me the WhatsApp number.
Same number.
What is same number?
Same number.
No.
Same
There is error of the. Yeah, I'm not sending an post office.
No. WhatsApp.
No. Tracking. What is this? What is this kind of? What is this kind of? I paid 10,000.
Huh?
Your account, Axis Bank account, and the post office of the year of the and any courier service and.
Get out, mother.
What is this?
Yes, what is this? Not a
This.
mother fake person.
I think this is not your shop. You are
My shop.
you are Huranba. You are Huranba.
No, Vinay Gupta.
Your name is Huranba or what?
No, Vinay Gupta.
Huranba.
No, Vinay Gupta.
Huining.
Mother.
No. Are you saying your name is Huining or what?
No, Vinay Gupta.
Huining Gupta.
Yes.
Hello.
You paid the amount.
Yes, I paid 10,000. 10,000. I paid 10,000.
Again pay amount.
Again, why I pay 10,000 already paid?
Again paid the amount. Okay.
Okay, please send photo of the this camera DJ Action Pro action
No, no.
Pro 5.
After payment,
I payment 10,000.
No. Again paid.
Again no pay. I payment 10,000.
Get out, motherfucker. Get out.
What is this kind of business? Sumai tau dana isin lau mayam puna mak sana bujam nungai ba aduna matam le ninga kande he sumai tau bu ko ma ju machin ga do yam thi de yam tau re aduna mayam sini section view sigum majidagi lap na lay view takat chari